sê mense, môre is Moedersdag. En jy weet, dit is een van die mees belangrike dae in ons as mens se lewe, Moedersdag. Ja, so ek gaan hierdie liedjie vir julle sing. Mother of Mine is 'n liedjie wat ek gesing het in my donker jare daar in ons huis in Excelsior straat. En die dinge binne baie swaar en hartseer is en dinge net nie wil begin werk nie. Nadat ek hierdie liedjie gesing, Mother of Mine. Kyk en geniet. Baie dankie. Mother of mine, you gave to me all of my life to do as I please. I like to give you what you gave to me, Mother. Sweet mother of mine, mother of mine, when I was young, you showed me the right ways, things had to be done. Without your love, where would I be, Mother, sweet mother of mine? Mother, you gave me happiness, much more than words can say. Sweet mother of mine, Mother, you gave me happiness, much more than words can say. I praise the Lord that He made bless you every night and every day. Every night and every day.